Good morning, guys. We are at Dana Point. This is Patrick, PCTV. We're showing today, so we don't get our normal roll-in like we do. So we're getting a roll-in from a different perspective. Inside the Bug. Built a new engine for my 60, and this is the first time I've taken it out. Doing his job. So yeah, we don't get our normal roll-in like we do. We're doing it just a little bit different today. We're in car. So I'm going to be getting out early and trying to get the show going here. Rolling up to registration right now. So I need to get my QR code and be ready to roll. Registration. We get our goodie bag. Get our shirt. Looks like they're doing like an army drab or something like that. So let's see what we got here.
Have you guys been talked to already?
She asked me about my shirt and everything, my bag. Coming down the street here. Yeah, everybody's getting ready to go. This is going to be packed today. These about 10,000, maybe 15,000 people show up here. This is one of those big downtown shows that my buddy Robert loves. And we just keep on rolling. Got a nice Mini Cooper over here. This looks like Jonathan's. Got our dash placard. Yep, and we're rolling the Bug. How we get on fuel? We're getting enough fuel to get to the gas station. That's good. But yeah, I'm really happy with my engine. Running really great. And it's gonna be a fun day. All right, guys. Good morning. Patrick here, PCTV. We're on our way to breakfast. We got our whole group here, Alley Cat, everybody. Got music playing in the background, so we'll see how that goes. Got my Bug out here at Dana today. My 1960 in all its glory. And yeah, beautiful cat here. 49. Love the 60 Mini Cooper. Great. So yeah, we're walking to breakfast, so it's gonna be a fun day today. Great group of Bugs right here. I thought they were gonna be parked next to me, but they ended up over here. Good spot for them. 63. More Dana Point. Nice CUDA 440. Rally wheels, 1970. All right, next to it, 68. Roadrunner.
And the benefits and everything.
63 Impala. Very clean. It's Metro. Is that Paul Galante? No. C28, very nice. Fairlane 500. We got a Malibu 69. So there's a fun little section here. Lotus recreational vehicle, that's great. There we go, 4-door 64. Doheny Wood, very famous Woody. Been around a long time. The Landau bars. Nice fat.
Oh, sir, there's no dots on it.
59. Very nice. Keep coming in. 65. 57. 58 maybe.